Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the FAHREN Terminator LED light. So come on, let's begin. Sa forge garage, binabago ang gabi. Alright, so again, this is the FAHREN Terminator LED light, and this is H11, and they come with different sizes, basically, you name it. So H1 9006, H3, H13, 907, H4 912, which is the HIR2 also. Got the 9004. Or this one is actually the package. So it is the H11 and the 9005. So that's good. Some specs. So we got it's 50,000 hours of lifespan, 12,000 RPM of the fan. So they're canvas ready. And yeah, so plug and play, easy install, and off-road use. All right. So there's really nothing there in the back. So let's open it up. Okay. So we got some cable ties. We got some double-sided tape. And we got some Allen wrench. So let me get them out of the bag in here. So there you go. So, no, and the Allen keys. Those are used for adjusting the angle of the light itself. All right, so we got the user manual in here. So we got some product specification in here. So that's type 20-60T55R. Operating voltage is 9 volts to 16 volts. So even if you have low voltage in your vehicle, they will still light up. So IP68 rated. Then color temperature is 6500K. And operating life is more than 50,000 hours. Luminous efficiency is 95%. Operating temperature is negative 45 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. So yeah, so it has here. So if you register, if you scan this one out, you register, you get an extra 1 year of warranty. And they have their global customer service in here. So yeah, so that's nice. So yeah, so let's open this up. These are for different size basically. So let's check them out, what I mean. All right, so here basically nice packaging, and let's see. Okay, so these are together. Which size are this? These are the 9005. All right, they are nice. I like the build quality on them. So they have the external LED controller in here, which is nice, instead of the built-in ones, because the built-in ones actually contribute heat also on the main bulb itself. So it's not that efficient because of the fan will keep spinning, and then it will just work hard. Okay, this one will be outside, so less stress on the fan of this one, and again more efficient. So yeah, so these are nice, and that's why we have this pad. So if you want to stick it somewhere, or if you just want to cable tie them somewhere, and that's nice. So here I see that there's 6 LED chips in here, and then there's 6 more, so 12 chips on each side. So that is good. That's for the 9005, and for the H11. So same design, basically it's just the socket in here that is different. So yeah, so we'll actually install this. Again, very easy to install, should be a quick swap, depends on what your vehicle is. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. I'll show you how they look like on the road. All right, so one will be installed on our fog lights that has a yellow tint on it, and then this one will be used on our low beam. All right, low beam, and has a projector, so it opens up for the high beam, so it works as high beam low beam function, so that should be no problem. So we'll see on this one. So yeah, so let me insert the clip for the real world test. All right,
Like a card game. Lift kid, lean into the sky. Dust on the